the first thing we're going to do is take the backing plate off so we can get to this this bit and put on the new oil seal. So now looking down there, you can see what we're talking about. It has these threads cut into it, and when the engine's turning, it's made to go in. So any oil that spills out on here gets pushed back into the engine by these threads. Now this piece that goes on top of it often gets worn around here, and that starts letting the oil out, which is a problem. Here's a new one with instructions and everything. Have a nice aluminum piece that gets screwed onto there. Then we have this big guy that goes in between it, and this is what ends up sealing it around here. So I'm going to read through the instructions because I haven't done this before. There are other YouTube videos about how to do this. Comes with some gasket joint and stuff and everything. Alright, we're going to try and get this going now. So we have this part, bevel goes on the inside, got some blue sealant to it. So this is supposed to get this added onto it. There's extra holes. Trying to figure out which ones line up the best. Now it's time for the flywheel.